Another locally based U.S. school is in the crosshairs of allegations for sexual abuse and labor trafficking. A U.S.-based lawyer told our news team she's seeking to get a child out of what's deemed an upsetting situation, but there are roadblocks. Courteney Lewis has the details.
Just a few months ago, allegations of ill treatment to students at the private boarding school for U.S. children, the Atlantis Leadership Academy, led to the school being shuttered and 5 people being charged. Now, another school for North American children has come under the microscope, the Youth of Vision Academy YOVA. Tackling the allegations of this touchy situation is U.S.-based attorney Dawn Post. She recounts that the leadership of the institution worked for Miracle Meadows, a U.S.-based Christian boarding facility that was closed down for sadistic torture meted out to children there.
In that investigation, I learned about the leadership being Youth of Vision leaderships, their connection back to a facility that was closed in the United States for the sadistic torture of children.
The attorney says the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, has been inconsistent in their dealings with the U.S. teen.
CPFSA, for 3 weeks, never advised anyone that any court action had to be taken in Jamaica. And Canada was able to rescue 3 of their teens without going through this whole process. So it seems very inconsistent, and we've been unable to tell exactly why this is happening in this particular instance.
However, the allegations don't end there, as the leadership of YOVA also had operations in Ebenezer, St. Lucia.
It is my understanding that a neighbor took it. It appears to show a very young girl, potentially around the age of 7 or 8, who was left out in the hot sun for 3 days in a row with no water, no food, and was going through some sort of punishment. And this is in line with the allegations that other youth have made.
Post mentions that YOVA had to leave St. Lucia due to the controversies that surrounded its operations there. Back home, the CPFSA says it commenced an investigation on March 27 this year and has not been able to confirm the allegations. Post believes there is a lack of communication causing the persistent delays. Courteney Lewis for CVM News.